Are you looking for a reliable and professional plumbing contractor for your home or building in Pittsburgh and other surrounding areas? At Holders Plumbing, you are guaranteed to receive the best plumbing service in town. We will fix your water leaks and other plumbing problems. We offer pipe repair, toilet unclogging, faucet maintenance, gas meter fixing, and other plumbing services. At Holders Plumbing, we offer fast, efficient, and punctual service. You're sure to receive great service at a price that you can afford. Give us a call today at 412-606-8487 or visit our website at www.holdersplumbing.com for a free quote and appointment scheduling.